another adventure with the Animal Life crew, and today we're going to be going on a nature walk with my brother, our dog, me, and my dad. And today is going to be another awesome adventure you guys are really going to like.
Hey guys, we're going to be trying to catch one kind of snake. The kind of snake that doesn't even feel like they're biting. It feels like nothing. So,
yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're on the job right now. Here's Buddy, he's our dog, and we're going to be walking on a nature walk today.
Hey guys, I'm trying to get some grasshoppers. They're all in here. I'll try scaring some out from over here. Oh, yep, they're done. Jelly, can you go back in?
Just keep around in the dirt until you find some, guys, and then you can go get your hand and catch one. They won't hurt you, I promise. But if it's a Georgia thumper, they could hurt you. So be careful. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna get you. Guys, guess what? We found our first tracks, and they're cowbird tracks. We see them a lot down here. They're always in the field following the tractors, and they're really cool. See, they almost look like turkeys, but if you ever find one, they look like this. This is probably a cowbird or a turkey. So if you didn't know, now you know. So I'm gonna get up here real quick. Come on, buddy.
Hey, guys, I just caught a grasshopper, and cowbirds like to eat these. My dad told me, and do you want to see him fly? Watch, guys. Look at him. He's right there. He's right there. Go. Guys. He's right there.
Come back here. So here's the Mocha Kit track, and as you can see, he's going down there and everywhere. And then this right here is a coyote track, and there's lots of them that live around here, and most of them are usually on the dirt road. But yes, these are a Mocha Kit track, and then this is a coyote track, and I think my dog nails it over here.
Okay, guys, I caught another grasshopper, which is a big one. You want to see it fly, y'all? And I'll throw him up there. Woo, there you go. Look at all these bobcat tracks.
And there's a lot down here. And one time we had to kill one because it kept attacking our chickens. So this looks like way smaller because the last one we found was really big. But look at these, guys. They almost look like a dog track, but they're actually a bobcat.
Hey guys, look at these square tracks.
Go on.
Like, see, there's little marks. There's square tracks right here. I think that's all.
So guys, we have an armadillo track right here, and our dog is sniffing it. This is one of the best ones right here, and it's pretty fresh actually. But we have armadillos around here, and they always come out here to get their food and stuff. And yeah, they're really cool creatures.
Hey guys, we found a few like rabbit tracks right here. Whatever, I don't know if they're fresh or good, but I'm pretty sure they're fresh. And they've come with a few pieces of dirt, and I think the rabbit went that way kind of and turned that way.
These are the largest animals that live here, and they're deer, and they're super big. My dad's killed a couple of them before, and they were so big, and most of them have a lot of points on their horns. But
it's not
yeah.
And I'm pretty sure that was like the huge one, like the foot's like this big.
Face.
But it's pretty big, and we're about to pick some squash to go in our garden. Okay. I hope you enjoyed our video. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.
I hope you like our channel. Tune in for the next video. Bye, guys.